The Carbon Trust has been a climate pioneer for over 20 years. We are driven by our mission to accelerate the move to a decarbonised future by unlocking innovation to address the climate crisis. You can't talk about net zero without looking at the supply chain and looking at how products and services are offered and delivered and consumed within the wider value chain. By applying circular principles, we can radically reduce the carbon intensity of our products and services, our businesses, and our economy. The Carbon Trust brings together the combined expertise of sustainability, business, technology, finance, and policy experts to work together to help our clients address their challenges around net zero transition and to deliver a circular economy. Our experts are one click away.
Circular economy innovation within business models can enable new commercial opportunities whilst reducing their CO2 emissions. For example, we supported Doc Martens in identifying the need and opportunity for a new business model that could help reduce CO2 emissions within their value chain.
For Doc Martens, the largest portion of our emissions actually comes from the materials we use in our products. So if we can transition that to, a circular model, we can use lower impact materials, we can keep products in circulation for even longer, and that's going to be such a massive step towards net zero. Re-commerce is incredibly important to us as a brand, and we wanted to understand the implications in terms of, the associated carbon emissions. Carbon Trust gave us direction for our innovation and the data to help us prioritize those things that were making the big impact.
Working with one single company is one thing, but we also collaborate across whole sectors, using a systemic approach to help promote circular economy principles. The construction sector is one that still operates largely on a linear supply chain of make, use and dispose. We were part of a task group the UK Green Building Council led to create a toolkit, highlighting the enablers and systemic barriers to the circular economy. This toolkit is called System Enablers for a Circular Economy. It can be used across the sector to promote circular principles that can be embedded across the sector.
Apart from the obvious circular economy design principles, these enablers are things like collaboration and early engagement, metrics and data, green contracts and leases, secondary material markets, those kinds of things. So it has this kind of systems level lens to it rather than just looking at the technicalities of circular economy. If everyone in the industry rallies behind these 8 enablers and delivers them, then we can consequently achieve a systems change towards circular economy. At UKGBC, generally everything we do is built on collaboration. So we really do need organizations like the Carbon Trust to provide expertise and support for anything we do.
The Carbon Trust works with companies and organizations across sectors and value chains, helping them innovate and enabling their transition to a net zero economy.